Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK and welcome to Cheapy Tuesday, where I talk about the shopping that I've got and if I've bought any bargains from the charity shops. I've been to Home Bargains this week. I used to go every week, but I don't now. I tend to only go about once a month because I spend too much money in there. So today, case in point, I spent £15.43. I usually allocate about £12–15, so roughly on budget. I had £25, so I spent 15 of it in Home Bargains, and this is what I got. I got this gourmet pail for my cat. This is £5.49, so it's cheaper than Asda. I get these soaps. These are £1.49 for 4. I got this for my hair. I only buy this every couple of months. Pantene, and that's £2.99 hair repair because I bleach my hair, so my hair has a hard life. My favourite fruity and nut Madeira cake. There's loads of cherries in it. I just love it. Really tasty, and that's £1.45. I needed to get some toothbrushes. These are Wisdom ones and they were £1.19 for 3, so I think that's a good price. I got some Fox's classic bars. My son likes these. He puts them in his pocket and brings to work. They're 75p. I got some Webbox sticks for my cat. These are 99. Last time I was in Asda, I think they were 120, so 20p cheaper. I get these hay fever tablets for the dog because she's got cherry eye and itchy skin, so stops her feeling so lousy. And these are only 79p, I think. Yeah, and for a change I got some Tonics tea cakes. I was hoping they had some wafers, but they didn't, but I got the tea cakes. They'll be lovely with a brew. Oh, really tasty. These are £1.19. So I went to the little Asda. I also popped into I went to a little Home Bargains. I also popped into a little Asda and I spent £8.85. £7.87, and this is all I got. I didn't get much. I just got milk, which was £1.69. Last time I bought it, it was £1.55, so that's gone up. But I bought 2 packets of sausages. I like the pork chipolata ones, but nothing really in it, no added flavours, so I can add flavours to it as I want. And they're 2 for £4.98. And I got a bag of satsumas. That's what I love about this time of the year. The lovely big juicy satsumas, because they're quite big, because those easy peelers are tiny. So I must admit I ate one on the way home, a scoffed one. So yeah, so just under £8 in Asda and just over 15 in Home Bargains. I've also been in the charity shop this week. Just wanted to show you what I got, and I spent £3.50. I got a little hedgehog picture. The edges are a bit tatty, but I've got the white paint out. So this is going to go in the box bedroom. So that's the last bit of art that's going in there, because the room's just been renovated. And I just thought, oh, this is so sweet and autumnal, and that was 50p. I got a men's jumper. That was £1. But the reason I picked this jumper up, let's see if I can find the label, is because it's 100% cotton. So it's nice and breathable. Let's see what the label says there. Yeah, 100% cotton. So it'll get flung in the wash. I got this men's shirt check one. This will be used for crafting. So I'm not going to buy any more crafting materials over the next few months, because I've got loads of denim and another skirt I bought last week and a skirt I bought this week. So these were all £1 each, but I got this denim skirt purely because it's got like this floral pattern all over it. I just thought, oh, that's really nice. So I might make a patchwork with that, with the plain grey denim that I've got. So these were £1 each. The skirt, the shirt and the jumper, and the hedgehog picture was 50p. And today I went to my local like chandler's type shop now where they have buckets and brushes outside, and they had a raft of these Alusis the other day, so I thought, oh yeah, winter time's coming, autumn time's coming. I picked up a new thermal shirt, and these are £2.99. So next week, instead of going to the charity shop, I'll probably pick up a few of these, because our October is very quickly approaching. So I thought, right, £2.99, that'll do me. And I'll probably get another couple next week. So I'm really pleased with the charity shop finds. These were from my local charity shop. I've been in Bernardo's today and there was nothing there today. So yeah, I spent £3.50 there and £2 on my thermal shirt. So I had a little extra little budget to do that. So let me know if you've been car booting. Have you been in the charity shop? Have you picked up any bargains online, like from eBay or Vinted? I'd be interested to know. And if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe? And bye for now.